Today I'm going to show you 10 art hacks to become a better artist. Let's start. Always look for ideas before beginning sketching. You can search for more artists by using apps like Instagram, Google, Pinterest, Reddit. Some of my favorites are GoXart and Vex. However, do not copy their work. To make your drawing unique, always add something new. It's time to start drawing now, but finish looking for inspiration. But go bring your sketchbook and put that A4 paper back. Always sketch on your sketchbook before you do on paper. Visualizing how things you want to look will be very helpful. Be careful what paper you choose. Get some thick paper to prevent the markers from bleeding through the page and ruining everything. Print paper should not be used since it will tear. Imagine that you finished sketching, but started inking, and now you're ready to color with your markers. But stop, why are the lines blending with the colors and vanishing? That's because you used the wrong liners. Get some drawing liners to prevent incidents like this. Using color combinations in your drawings, you can add depth, balance, and harmony to your work. It can also help convey a mood and theme. Experimenting with different color combinations can enhance the overall impact of your drawing. Hack 6. Using a variety of colors can add interest to your artwork. Whereas relying solely on blank colors can make your drawings appear flat and uninteresting. Experiment with different color combinations to enhance the overall impact of your drawing. Using a highlighter can help you emphasize certain areas or details in your drawing. By applying a brighter or more intense color over your drawing, you can draw the viewer's eye to specific parts of a piece. Highlighters can also be useful for correcting mistakes or refining the details of your drawing. Trying new things when drawing can help you expand your skills and develop your artistic style. Experimenting with different subjects, materials, and techniques can inspire you to think creatively and try new approaches. It can also help you discover new passions and interests within the world of art. Practicing when drawing is essential for improving your skills and refining your technique. By regularly creating art, you can learn from your mistakes, discover new techniques and approaches, and develop your artistic style. The practice also helps to build muscle memory and fine-tune your ability to accurately represent subjects in your drawings. So don't be discouraged if your drawings don't come out perfectly at first. Keep practicing and you'll see your skills improve. You can also visit buymeacoffee.com/Yama to support the channel. Contributing to my Buy Me a Coffee page enables me to keep producing and sharing my work while also supporting the channel. Thanks for watching and bye.